Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can switch to dark mode on your Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how to switch your Facebook into dark mode so that your eyes won't get hurt so much. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can switch to dark mode in your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this page. And after that, you will see this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it to proceed. Once you are in here, what you'll need to do is to scroll down and look for the settings and privacy. And then in here, tap on the settings and privacy. And select the settings. And under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences, audience and visibility, and also your activity and your information. In here, to change the dark mode, simply under the preferences, tap on the dark mode. And then in here, tap on this on button, switch to dark mode. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can switch your Facebook application to dark mode, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can switch to dark mode in your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.